Meta ads or Google ads or LinkedIn ads, or what should I even run? So if you're running a B2B or a B2C business, this is a question that commonly runs in, right? Should I run ads on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, or where should I even run my campaigns? Now, if you're thinking this video has exactly the right answer for you. Hi, I am Saranya Narayanamurthy and I run the Content Bot, which is a marketing agency, and Line.Digital, which is a B2B sales generation company. And for the last 7 years, I have worked purely on sales, lead generation, and to increase the profitability of your business by ensuring our clients have a better client acquisition system. And in this video, I am going to tell you what ad campaign should you exactly choose. Now, let's take this one statement. If you run a B2B business, run your ads on LinkedIn. If you run a B2C business, run your ads on Instagram. If you wanted to build your ORM, run your ads on Twitter. Or if you want to generate local leads, run your ads on Google. Now, is this something that you've been hearing repeatedly? Now, if you say yes, let me break one major myth for you. It is not ideally about your audience, but rather what is the buying environment that you wanted to create. Now, let me give you an example. We were earlier running a campaign for one of our clients who was into commercial real estate. Now, for them, they were very specific that only certain industries should be targeted, and even in those certain industries, only a few designations should be targeted because the size of the land was huge and it was an industrial warehouse. Now, on this note, we were very particular that there are only 10 designations. There were, let's say, a bunch of companies within just one city, and the target company should at least be around 5,000 to 10,000 audience because overall value of the project was huge. Now, on this note, we did go for LinkedIn, but when we went on, we spent thousands of dollars without even getting one ideal lead. Now, this is highly puzzling, right? How do you spend thousands of dollars without spending even one ideal lead? Because here we generated those leads via other channels while LinkedIn was purely a targeting material. Now let me explain this to you. Now when we started, we ran a lead generation campaign on LinkedIn because at that time our process was purely LinkedIn centric. Like you said, B2B for LinkedIn, right? So we set out to target just these designations, just these demographics, and our target audience was pristine. And once the target audience was sorted, even our ad campaign was purely focused on it was good, and we were generating leads on LinkedIn. But every time when we ran a lead generation campaign, we spent too much money to target this audience, and the output that we generated was not exactly great because most of the audience were either irrelevant, they did not have a proper requirement, or many times the size versus the value correlation that wasn't matching. So on this note, there was a discrepancy. Now what did we do? We did the first best thing that we should have done in the first place. That is using LinkedIn as just a targeting platform. Now what we did, we used a similar campaign setting but a different campaign, wherein we ran a traffic campaign wherein when we target on LinkedIn, prospects look at our ad and they land on our landing page. And in our landing page, we had heat maps, we had analytics, and we had pixels configured. Now, we targeted only the audience who landed on our website via native ads. Now, what is a native ad? A native ad is one of the features wherein you will be able to run ads on websites, on other applications, on so many other platforms and not just on social media. Now, let's say there is this VP of sales of a 10,000 people packaging industries company. Now, this VP has landed on a website and he has seen the screen for 45 seconds. And then from here, he goes on to browse a few websites and a few blogging platforms for some information. Now, here we ran a native ad campaign wherein we put a creative that said, have you checked this property but missed booking a site visit? Book it here. This is what that simple creative said, and we put it on the website where this VP was browsing. Now, how did we know this is a website that VP was browsing? Well, we had no idea. All we did was target these audience who were on a website using native ads. So these native ads ensure that wherever these people land on whichever other websites have enrolled to AdSense, they put that ad in. So here we are able to easily target the audience whom we generated on LinkedIn. Now, had we ran only a lead generation campaign on LinkedIn, the thousands of dollars that we spent would have been futile. But here, by just spending a few hundreds of dollars on native ads and a few thousands of dollars on LinkedIn, we were able to close sales worth multiple thousands of dollars for this commercial real estate client in an effortless way. Now, if you're still wondering what type of campaign should I choose, how do I choose my campaign, how do I choose my platform, I just have one advice for you. Do not constrain a platform towards just a specific audience, but instead make it creative, make it open-minded, and ensure that you're aligning a platform's intentions towards what is the one thing that that platform can connect you with. Who is the audience you can acquire through that one platform? Because if you're doing it on Instagram, you can target a lot of people with specific interests, specific locations, and specifically towards what their purchasing behaviors are. But if you're targeting professionally, you can use LinkedIn to target specific designations, and you can do that effortlessly. So ensure to use platform-centric content and use it accordingly so that you do not waste your money just on ads and just on platforms which might not get you enough results. And most of the times when you're combining all these platforms, when you use Meta, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and especially Google ad campaigns all together for a collective brand campaign, you almost always get better results every single time. So now, if you're confused on what type of ad campaign to choose, how do you set up your sales funnel, how do you use all of these together towards one aggregation, reach out to us on our email ID or connect with me on LinkedIn at Saranya Narayanamurthy, and we'll strategize how we can use these techniques and we can build a sales funnel to ensure your business runs profitably. So with this, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and check out all our videos before to get a better idea on how you can streamline your sales, marketing, lead generation, and especially your company's profitability. So with this, let me see you on the next video and book a discovery call if you're serious about lead generation. With this, signing off for now, Saranya Narayanamurthy. Let's close some sales.